Okay. Once again, good evening to all of you. This is our smart study channel, and I am taking the Vedic mathematics. And today our target is how to multiply 3-digit number. Okay, multiply 3-digit number. Suppose it is given 12 into 13 into 14 or 15. Suppose I am taking 12 into 13 into 15. This is our target, and today we will learn the short tricks how to multiply these three numbers, three two-digit number. This can also will do. This thing also we can do for 3-digit number also. Okay, so this is our target. So first of all, what we will see, it is just like the previous videos also I have discussed. Okay, if there are multiplication of 2-digit numbers or 2-digit number or 3-digit number, in that case we have to calculate one base. We have to calculate base, that is known as working base. And this principle is only applicable. This principle is only applicable if the numbers are nearer to 10, or if the numbers are nearer to 100, or if the numbers are nearer to 1000, or if the numbers are nearer to 50 or 500 or 5000. In that case we can apply this method. First we will try to understand this thing. Okay, so here we have taken the base to be 10. That means these three numbers are nearer to 10. So I have taken the base to be 10. Then I will write like this. First number is 12. Then second number is 13. And third number is 15. And here I will write their deviation. What is their deviation? Deviation means differences from the base. Okay. So 12, here deviation is 2. Since the base is 10, here deviation is 2. 13, here the deviation is 3, difference is 3. If it is less, if it is 8 or 9, then you have to write -1, -2 like that. Okay, 15, it is 5 more than the base, so I will write 5. So in this way, first our step 1 says that first you find out, step 1, you find out what is the differences. So differences in the three number are 2, 3, 4. Okay, so directly also you can multiply it, but I am telling you the tricks that can be applied to all type of number. I have taken the smaller number so that easily you can understand. Then we can go for larger number, 3-digit number, 4-digit also you can apply this thing. 4-digit number you can multiply like this. Okay, so first what we will do, I am taking out the differences. Then in step 2, what you will do, you will just simply add the number. You will add the number. So here 2, 3, 5. 2 plus 3 plus 5 and plus 10. Okay, so whatever the differences are there, you take their sum with base also. If the base is 100, then we have to add 100. So 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 10. So it will become 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 10 is 20. So I am getting the result to be 20. Then in step 3, what I will do, I will take their product in pair. Okay, I will take their product in pair. So 2 into 3, product in pair, and their sum. So 2 into 3 plus 2 into 5 plus 3 into 5. The meaning is that we have to take the sum of the products of 2-digit, product of 2 number at a time of their differences. The differences are 2, 3, 5. So once I will take the product of 2 and 3, then I will take the product of 2 and 5, then I will take the product of 3 and 5, and I will take their sum. So 2 into 3 6 plus 2 into 5, that is 10, 3 into 5 is 15. So this will become 15 plus 10, 25. 25 plus 6, that is 31. So it is step 3. Then in step 4, what will do? Simply you will multiply the 3 number. Multiply the 3 not number, multiply the differences, 3 differences. So differences are 2, then 3, then 5. So 2 into 3 into 5. So 2 into 3, 6. 6 into 5, 30. Simply take the product of the differences. 2 into 3 into 5. So difference product is 30. So in this way we will get 3 numbers. In step 2 1 number, in step 3 1 number, in step 4 1 number. Then what I will do? First I will write the first number, that is 20. I will write from left to right. First I will write 20. Then I will write 31. Then I will write 30. In this way, the 3 numbers that you are getting after doing step 2, step 3 and step 4, that one you will write from left to right. First 20, then 31, then 30. Since our base is 10, already you can remember, already I have discussed in my previous classes, if the base is 10, that means in 10, 1 0 is there. And if 1 0 is there, in that case we will keep only one number. In every column I will keep only one number. So here I will write only 0. Then these 3 will be carried forward. So 3 plus 1, that will become 4. Here also I will keep only one digit. So the second digit will be again taken forward. So 3 plus 0 is 3 and 2 is left. So this is the answer. 2 3 4 0. Yes, 2 3 4 0. Okay, so once again I am explaining. Suppose we have to multiply 3 number 12, 13 and 15. Okay, 12 is 2 more, 13 is 3 more, then the base we have to take a working base. Here working base we have taken 10. Okay, and this method is only applicable if the numbers are nearer to 10 or nearer to 100 or nearer to 1000 or nearer to 50 or nearer to 500. Okay, so first I will take the differences from the base. Here difference is 2, here 3 and here 5. So in the first step I will take the sum of the differences 2, 3, 5 with the base. Base is 10. So 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 10 is 20. Then in the second step I will take the product in pairs of the differences. So 2 into 3, then 2 into 5, then 3 into 5. I will take the product of the differences in pair. Okay, so there are 3 pairs. So 6 plus 10 plus 15. So that will become 31. And in step 4, we will simply multiply the differences. So 2 into 3 into 5. So that will be 30. Then after that, what we will do? We will simply write the number from left to right. First step 2 number, then step 3 number, then step 4 number. First we are getting 20, so I will write 20. Then I am getting 31, I will write 31. Then I am writing 30. In this way in 3 columns. And already you know that this process already we have done earlier also. Since the base is 10, only we will keep one digit in one column. So here 0 will come. 3 will take it forward, so 3 plus 1 is 4. Again 3 will take forward, so 3 plus 0 is 3. So 2, so 2, 3, 4, 0 is our answer. So here 12 into 13 into 15 is equal to 2, 3, 4, 0. So this is the answer. Hardly it will take 2 seconds. Okay. Again I am giving you one more example. Okay, suppose it is given the numbers are number are 14 into 15 into 17, any two digit number which are nearer to 10. First we will try to understand it, afterwards we will see the other type of number. Okay, so what we will do, these three number they are nearer to 10, so I have taken base to be 10. Okay, so 14 means how much difference is there? 4 difference. From base how much difference? 4 difference. Then 15 is how much difference is there from 10? 5 difference. So I write plus 5. Then 17 is how much difference? Plus 7. Okay, so in this way, first of all I will write the differences of the number from the base 10. Okay, so now what I will do, first what I will do, there are three things we have to do. Okay, in the left what we will write? We will write the sum of this number, that means 10 plus 4 plus 5 plus 7. Okay, in the first column we will write this thing. So 10 plus 5, 10 plus 4, 14 plus 5, 19, 19 plus 7, 26. Once again, 10 plus 4, 14, 14 plus 5, 19, 19 plus 7, 26. So here I will write 26. Then what we will do? We will take the product of these differences in pair. That means 4 into 5 plus 5 into 7 plus 4 into 7. In pair we have to take their product. Okay, and we have to take their sum. 4 into 5, 5 into 7, and then 4 into 7. So 4 into 5, that is 20. So 20 plus 5 into 7, 35. Then 4 into 7, 28. Okay, 4 into 5, 20. 5 into 7, 35. 4 into 7, 28. So their sum will be how much? 8, 5, 13, 3, 1, 2, 1, 3, 3, 6, plus 2, 8. So here we will get 83. So in the second column we will get 83. And in third column what we will do? Simply we will multiply three differences. That means 4 into 5 into 7. 4 into 5, 20. 20 into 7, 140. 4 into 5, 20. 20 into 7. That is 140. So now what we will do? Only one digit we will bring down. Okay, and next we will take the other things to the next column. So here 14 will come. So 4 and 3, 7, 8, 1, 9. So from here we will take 7 only. Then this 9 again we will carry forward. So here plus 9, 26 plus 9, that will be 35. So here 5 will come, and since it is the last one, so 3 will also come. So our answer is 3570. Answer is 3570. So once you are acquainted with it, okay, so automatically you will start calculating in a very faster rate. Okay. But suppose I am taking one more example, and suppose the numbers, some numbers are greater than 10 and some numbers are less than 10. This type question also may come. For example, you are multiplying 13 with 9 into 15. That means here some number are more than 10 and some number are less than 10. So in this case also we can apply. See how I am doing. So here difference is plus 3. Here difference is minus 1. And here difference is 5. Okay, so since we are taking the base to be 10, so here difference 3, here difference is minus 1, it is 1 less, and here difference is 5. So we have to make like this 3 column. In first column what we will write? We will take their sum with the base. That means in first column we have to write 10 plus 3 minus 1 plus 5. So this will be equal to 10 plus 3 13 minus 1 12 plus 5 17. So first number that I am getting is 17. Okay. Then what I will do? In the second column what I will write? I will take the product in pairs of the differences. That means 3 into minus 1. 3 into minus 1. So 3 into minus 1. That means that will be minus 3. Then minus 1 into 5. Then 3 into 5. No need of writing this. This is for your understanding. Otherwise simply I can do 3 into minus 1 minus 3, and here it is minus 5 and 15, like that also I can do it. So here I am getting here minus 3, here I am getting minus 5, and 3 into 5 is 15. Okay. So how much we are getting? 15 minus 5 is 10. 10 minus 3 is 7. So here I am getting only 7. Then the last column, right hand side column, what I will take? The product of the differences. 3 into minus 1. 3 into minus 1 into 5. 3 into minus 1 is minus 3. Minus 3 into 5 is minus 15. Okay, so in this way I am getting 3 number in 3 column. Okay, so now what we will do? I will bring only one number from each column. But the problem is that here I have minus 15. Here I have minus 15. I have to make it positive. So how much here we will take so that it will become positive? So it is minus 15. That means if we will borrow 2 from here, that will become 20 because base is 10. How much you are taking? That will be multiplied with the base. So from here it will take 2. From 7 it will take 2 to this side. It will borrow 2, not carrying forward. We are going backward. If we will take 2, borrow 2 from 7, then 2 when it will come this side, this will become 20. This 2 will become 20. So 20 minus 15, that will be 5. So here I am getting 5. And if we will take 2 that side, then this 7 will become 5. Okay. So here only one number, so simply I will write the number 5. And this is the last one, so simply I will write it. So the answer is 1755. Answer is 1755. 1755. So in this way, whether it is positive or negative, in all the cases we can find out. So thank you for joining the class, and do subscribe. And if there is any issues are there today, some issues are there, network issues, I will see that in the next class it will be rectified. So once again, thanks to all for watching this. Good night.